Hello everyone, first of all, Merry Christmas to all of you. From my end, this is Paulomi. Welcome to my channel VAGPE Media. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you an amazing effect, a special effect called a splatter effect, which exclusively I got in Canva, and I very often use this when I make a design in Canva. My main motto remains to convey a message to my viewers. So keeping that in mind, I'll be designing that. So without any further ado, let's straight head over my computer and see what's there. Let's start making the design which I've just shown you. I'll be taking the exact same picture, same element, so that it is easier for you to do it. Let's start. So I will be going to Pixel. I have already mentioned where will you get it. Well, let me show you. You just go to more and go to Pixel, and I will type garden, and this is a picture I have used, so I'm taking the exact same picture. Now I'll have to blur it a bit, so I'll just make it transparent. Right. Now I'll go to elements. I'll take one caterpillar. Okay, now as I have got this caterpillar image, I need to remove this background. For that, if I select this image and see, here is edit image option. Here BG background. Now we'll erase it. Now as you can see, the background is already removed. Now I can just adjust the picture size as per my requirement. Like, I don't need this one. I think this is perfectly alright. So this is what exactly I want. So friends, I very often use different types of elements on Canva Pro and Canva Free elements, which are available, which are useful, which are not. On this entire topic, I have made another video which you'll be getting on the top right hand side corner of this video in the I button. So make sure you watch this entire video and then you go to the I button and watch that video, which will be really helpful for you, I believe. So watch the rest of the video and I'll be back by the end of it. Now I will search for another picture. So now you have seen I have already taken one picture. Basically I have taken this particular butterfly, and I've just positioned it the same way as I did, and there was no background as such, so I have just got this picture, and now I'll give the effect. Now for giving the effect, I need to go to Shatter. I think I will be using few of these because it's very beautiful colors. This one, just keeping it here, just make it small and I will use it. Okay, I'll just pause the video right here because I'm looking for something. Let me just find it out, then I'll get back. Okay, this should be Splatter, S-P-L-A-T-T here. This is what I was saying, like in this particular website, you need to know the exact element name. Like I just forgot, I was looking for Splatter, not Shatter. I just forgot, and that's why it was taking so long. So I've got it now. I think I should go for, if I select this one, I can get the magic recommendation and I can select. I just don't want something very prominent, so I'd rather go for not here. Maybe this one. Okay, I will change it to white, and rather I will change it to this way. Okay, make it small. Make it. Okay, so I'm good to go. Now I'm good to go. Now what will I do? I'll just take this one and just make it like this, and what will I do is I'll just copy and paste it. Control C, Control, Control C, Control, Control C, Control. Like this I will do, and I'll just position it because I want to cover this entire this part of the wing. Okay, so I'll just do it and I'll come back. Okay, this is what I'm doing actually. Control C and Control V to make sure this transition which I want to do is give in a good effect. Okay, I'll just make sure I just do it in this way so that this transition is well understood, and I'll have to actually make sure that it is. I'm continuously doing Control C, Control V, guys, so that this is completely covered. So I'll just do it and come back. Now guys, I exactly did the same thing, Control C, Control V, and this is the final one which I wanted to show you. So it is as simple as that. You just take the splatter effect from your elements. In elements, you just need to know the kind of effect you want to give, and if you give that exact effect, you will get that kind of elements, and which you can incorporate and to get this sort of this sort of amazing effect, and you can make your templates stand out of the crowd. So that was today's tips, but only one thing, that is what I have used in this complete template. Just one particular thing I used to remove the background, which I shown you the edit image. That's remove background is only available for Pro version, yeah, Canva Pro. So if you want to use it, I would be recommending you to go to my description. There is a link given where you can use Canva Pro for 30 days free trial. You can have from that particular link, and then if you like it, you can continue using it. But I can recommend you, if you're having disposable income, you should definitely go for Pro, because there are many features which are not available in free version, and which will actually be helpful for you if you are taking it as a professional graphic designing tool for yourself. So that was today's tips. I hope you liked it. If you like this particular template, definitely give me your suggestions or your ideas, if you can make this any further better, or if you have made something better than this, let me know. I would be including you in my Facebook group where you can showcase your designs, Canva designs. So thank you so much for being with me. I will see you on some other day with some new topics and some new designs. Till then, stay safe. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I hope you got an idea about how to use this splatter effect in Canva, and how to make your design look better and different. So if yes, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and watch my other effects which I do make in Canva. I would be adding that playlist at the end of this video, so make sure you go to that playlist, explore a bit, and learn the hidden elements of Canva. So with that, I would request you, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do click the subscription button down below and click the bell button next to it, and select all notifications so that you keep getting notification whenever I upload my next videos. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, then thank you so very much for all your support, and please do give me a comment, your suggestions, your advice. It is really helpful for me, and this is one reason why I keep myself motivated for each and every day, whatever I do. With that, I'll be wrapping up. This is Polomi. I'll come back with some amazing tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary, and